Welcome to the My LexisNexis video that will provide you with an overview on how to perform a search using the Legal Citator. To begin, click on the Legal Citator tab at the top of the page. The Legal Citator does the following: it examines the way in which reported judgments treat each other as precedent. It examines the strength of those judgments treating others. It examines the history of reported judgments. It allows the user to select different views of the same information. It allows the user to continue to view the ordinary information to be found in a standard law report index. In addition, the Legal Citator allows the user to hyperlink to relevant primary legal sources, such as law reports and statutes, contained within the online publication's website. You can search the Legal Citator by making use of the following search tabs. Case details. The judgment search template is used to generate judgment listings based upon a variety of search criteria. Acts. The Acts search template is used to generate judgment listings dealing with a particular act, ordinance or bylaw, or section of an act. Regulations. The Regulations search template is used to generate judgment listings dealing with a particular regulation, and/or regulation number. Further to this, you may choose to generate a judgment listing based on regulations in terms of an act, or of a section of an act. Rules. The Rules search template is used to generate judgment listings dealing with a particular rule name or rule number. Subjects. The Subjects search template is used to generate judgment listings based on the required subject matter. For the following example, we will make use of the Case Details search template. This template is used to generate judgment listings. Search criteria can be entered in virtually any combination, using the options supplied. A citation search for 1979, 1, SA 391, can be conducted in the following way. Enter 1979, 1, SA 391 into the citation field and click Search. As you can see, the results are returned under the following column headings: JHist, or Judgment History. This column carries the judgment history signal and indicates how the current judgment has been treated on appeal or review. Nat, or National. This column carries the national signal, and indicates how the national courts have treated the chosen judgment. Please note that national courts are the following courts of final instance: the Constitutional Court, the Supreme Court of Appeal, and the Labor Appeal Court. In the absence of a national court treatment, the signal indicates a treatment derived from the High Court. Div, or Division. This column carries the divisional signal, and indicates how the current judgment has been treated by the High Courts or their equivalent, for example, the Land Claims Court. Judgment Name. This column carries the name of the judgment, which is also a hyperlink to the Judgment Analysis page, and the judgment primary citation. When the primary citation is underlined, this indicates a hyperlink to a law report, which may be accessed by subscribers to those products. The signals applied to the judgments give you an immediate appraisal of each judgment, and indicate which judgments you may wish to examine in more detail using the Judgment Analysis page. There are 6 different signal analyses and each is represented by a different symbol. Neutral analysis is represented by the following symbol and is when chosen judgment has not been analyzed by a court of law in a way which affects its interpretative or precedential value. Cautionary analysis is represented by the following symbol and is when the chosen judgment has been analyzed by a court of law in a way which suggests that it should be re-examined before being relied upon as authority. Positive analysis is represented by the following symbol and is when the chosen judgment has been analyzed by a court of law in a way which suggests that it may be relied on as authority. Negative analysis is represented by the following symbol and is when the chosen judgment has been analyzed by a court of law in a way which suggests that it may not be relied on as authority. No analysis is represented by the following symbol and is when the chosen judgment has not been analyzed by a court of law at all. Conflict analysis is represented by the following symbol and is when the chosen judgment has been analyzed in a contradictory way, by two or more national courts on the same day, and this analysis cannot be resolved by the legal citator. If you wish to view these analyses in more detail, click on the judgment name. The judgment analysis page is divided into views. These are Judgment Details. To open the Judgment Details view, click on the heading, Judgment Details. To close the Judgment Details view, click on the Judgment Details heading again. Subject Index. To open the Subject Index view, click on the heading, Subject Index. This view displays a hierarchical view of the subject matter relevant to the chosen judgment. To close the Subject Index view, click on the Subject Index heading again. Judgment Treatment. To open the Judgment Treatment view, click on the heading, Judgment Treatment. This view displays and tracks all judgments that have treated the chosen judgment. Also provided are, inter alia, the page numbers referencing the chosen judgment, the exact reference to the treating dictum if pertinent, as well as the chosen judgment's editorial assignment and signal. The assessment of these factors determines the chosen judgment's precedential value. To view a treating judgment, click on the judgment name. Furthermore, the Judgment Treatment view allows the user to examine the reliability and strength of any treating judgment by calling upon its underpinnings. Underpinnings are the treatments of the treating judgment. To view the underpinnings, click on the wording, Underpinnings for the above judgment. To close the underpinnings, click on the wording, Hide underpinnings. To view an underpinning judgment, click on the judgment name. To close the Judgment Treatment view, click on the Judgment Treatment heading again. Judgment Cited by Court. To open the Judgment Cited by Court view, click on the heading, Judgments Cited by Court. This view displays all judgments that have been cited within the chosen judgment. Also provided are the page numbers containing the cited judgment reference, the exact reference to the dictum if pertinent, an editorial assignment, and the signal of the judgment cited. Click on this heading again, to close this view. Acts, Ordinances, and Bylaws. This view displays all acts, national and provincial, ordinances and bylaws, along with the relevant section numbers, which have been referred to in the chosen judgment. Annotations where applicable are also provided. Rules. This view displays all rules along with the relevant rule numbers, which have been referred to in the chosen judgment. Regulations. This view displays all regulations along with the relevant regulation numbers, which have been referred to in the chosen judgment. The detailed analyses that you have just seen can also be accessed directly, from the point where you are reading the judgment document. For example, with the document view of the BK Tooling Award open, you will find the cited icon at the top right corner. Clicking on this icon will generate the full history of how the BK Tooling Award has been treated in determining its precedential status. For further assistance with My LexisNexis, please view the other My LexisNexis training videos.